Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing how to fix the PS5 controller blinking orange twice. This is a common issue that many PS5 players encounter, and it can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an intense gaming session. But fear not, as we have a few solutions that will help you get your controller back to working order. Step 1. The first thing you should do is charge your controller. Sometimes, the blinking orange light indicates that the controller's battery is low, and it needs to be charged. To do this, simply plug in the USB cable that came with your controller into the PS5 console or a wall adapter and connect the other end to your controller. Make sure to let it charge for a few hours before attempting to use it again. Step 2. Reset your controller. If charging your controller didn't work, the next thing you can try is resetting it. To do this, you'll need a paperclip or a small tool to press the reset button on the back of the controller. Simply insert the tool into the hole and hold the button down for a few seconds until the controller turns off. Once it's off, turn it back on and see if the issue has been resolved. Step 3. Update your PS5 software. If resetting the controller didn't work, the problem may be with your PS5 software. Sometimes, an outdated software version can cause issues with the controller. To fix this, make sure that your PS5 is up to date with the latest software version. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting System Software Update. Once you've updated the software, restart your console and see if the problem has been fixed. Step 4. Check your controller's connection. Another possible issue is a poor connection between your controller and the console. Make sure that your controller is connected to the console via Bluetooth. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting Accessories, then Bluetooth Devices. If your controller is not connected, select Wireless Controller and follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with the console. And there you have it, folks. These are the steps you can take to fix the PS5 controller blinking orange twice issue. Remember to always charge your controller, reset it if necessary, update your PS5 software, and check your controller's connection to the console. With these simple steps, you'll be back to gaming in no time. Thanks for watching.